Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well.
There may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here.
Oh, this is a great position.
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last fling.
Tries a shot! Superb goal!
And the chances of winning a game that may have gotten away from you are always greater with characters like this player.
So that's it. It is all over. So it ends 1-0, an enthralling game and an agonisingly narrow defeat.
Precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more. That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
So a breakthrough already. Now it's Kostic. That's a throw. Hit it in with a header! Smashing delivery, just didn't do enough. Rodri, Neymar.
Look, movement creates more options, and that was really...
Great leap! He's done very well to get to that.
Fernando Torres is very sporting here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment.
Now the counter. Well intercepted, and it certainly needed to be. He's got the shot away! Gets good distance on it. And it's Bernardo Silva. Beckham. Played out to the right. Brilliantly cut out. He can get that clear. Alexander-Arnold. Cannavaro gets over and intercepts. Rummenigge looking for the runner. Oh, he's found support out wide. Oh, good ball! Great chance! It's in! Better and better. And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
So that's 2 now without reply.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
And that is as far as they're going to go. Rummenigge. Fernando Torres. Torres. De Ligt does really well to win the ball there. Rummenigge. Played out towards the right wing.
Well, yet another interception and a show of anticipation to be commended.
Spread out to the left. And that has been cleared. And it's Bernardo Silva. Poor pass that, sloppy. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Oh, good read. Messi. Bernardo Silva. Now it's Kostic. Plays a sharp little ball here. Here's the cross. Cafu gets it clear. Defenders on the back foot. And that interception was most necessary. Played out to the left flank. Bernardo Silva pulls it back. Heads it! And he looked every bit the assured keeper there.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Heading backwards.
Pirlo really was well marshalled there because he was denied the opportunity to turn.
Lovely ball into space. Alexander-Arnold. And we've reached half-time. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Well, it's looking pretty...
And that's the start of another 45 minutes. Cafu gives his colleague a guilty look.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
Rummenigge. Oh, good spread. Puyol gets rid without sophistication. Fernando Torres. Looking to break out here. And it's Beckham. Fernando Torres. Expertly cut out, really nicely done. Now it's Kostic. No way through there. Rodri. Ruben Dias. And it's Roberto Carlos. Cannavaro spots it and intercepts. Messi. Rummenigge. Now it's Kostic. Massive leap! Crossed in once more. Rodri is there and he can get that clear. He'll try from distance.
A beautifully policed that midfield. The opposition have been handcuffed.
Now it's Torres. Now it's Neymar. He's found a way through. Defending of the desperate variety. Good spot, he's seen the run. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Rummenigge. Messi. Messi! Oh, and they really should have been made to pay. Time for a change in personnel.
Well, I think he'll undoubtedly add more movement and fluidity in the final third with his passing range.
Bruno Fernandes.
And it's Bernardo Silva. Beckham providing an outlet on that flank. Goes in for the header! Oh, not this time.
Came in when no one was expecting it, and it was drilled.
Casemiro. De Ligt. It's a pretty loose pass. Bernardo Silva. Passing is crisp and sharp. He's got away. And he was alert to it. Neymar. Danger averted for now. Rummenigge. And they can counter here. Over to the left. And he skips past his man. Cafu. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him.
Footballing width usually identifies with running room, and we've just seen a prime example.
Knocks it away. And now the breakaway. Now it's Bruno Fernandes. Nice interception. His positioning was spot on. And that's been intercepted. Now it's Kostic. Rummenigge. Pirlo. Oh, good take. Bruno Fernandes! Well timed, excellent interception. Alexander-Arnold. Robust defending and the ball's been lost.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
It's a throw-in.
Number 10, Bernard Alexander-Arnold. Number 4,
Now it's Bernardo Silva.
Casemiro.
Ball's
Coming
out,
on the
it'll be a
field.
throw-in again.
Number 20,
Cafu.
number 21, number 17, Kostic. Coming on the field, number 19. Number
Look, this
6,
is so frustrating. Passing without
Griezmann.
any end product is just passing
Substitution.
time.
2 added minutes has been indicated.
Now it's Bruno Fernandes. Shifted upfield. And there goes the final whistle. A decent win via a very competent performance. Without doubt, they were the better side, and the result reflects as much.